acetone first?
Yeah.
Make sure it's really clean?
Make sure there's a clean contact surface before you start.
And then put it in the hole right there. And then are you following a groove?
Yeah, there's a groove on the inside of the top, and we just set it against that.
Okay, got you.
And this where the insert, as you can see, fits right there.
That's probably like one of the most common complaints.
Yeah.
You can't do that, right?
Yeah, they start this way,
Uh,
and then when they go to cut, they cut this too short.
and that's what affects wind noise?
Yes, that's where the majority of the wind noise comes from. It's right here in this corner.
Okay. You just cut it right where
Right where the top
seals
ends.
Okay.
Right here. And I use that line.